All right, traders, good morning. Good morning, traders. Please confirm if you can hear me. If you can hear me, type loud and clear in the comment section. Traders, if you can hear me, type loud and clear in the comment section. Okay, I'm also checking to make sure that the resolution is good. So if you're watching with your phone, just click the settings icon at the top right and change to higher picture quality. If you're watching with your phone, click the settings icon at the top right and change the picture quality to higher picture quality. So you're welcome again. It's another Tuesday. Let's go straight into it. If you're joining us for the first time, quickly state your name and where you're joining us from. If you're joining us for the first time, quickly state your name and where you're joining us from. Okay. I'm trying to make sure everything is clear. So it's clear from my phone. All you just need to do is click the settings icon at the top right and change the quality to higher picture quality so that everything will be clear. You're welcome, guys. Everything is clear now, right? Okay, so I can see Michael from Benue State. You're welcome. Vincent from Uganda, Zambia. You all are welcome. Dennis from South Sudan. Before I start my live section, I watch, with my phone to make sure it is also clear. So if you do what I asked you to do by, changing your picture quality to higher picture quality, you'll have it clear. If it's clear, from your own end, type clear in the comment section. If it's clear from your own end, type clear in the comment section. Because it's very clear from my phone. If it's clear from your own end, type clear in the comment section. Okay, nice. Okay, for the OGs in the house, you're welcome. It's another Tuesday. Last week, the market was kind of like this, but we'll keep showing up and we'll also do what pack our funds. I believe if you've been following me closely, you should be catching a buy on gold at the moment. So for the OGs in the house, this is it. Collect. This is how we greet. For those joining for the first time, all you just need to do is to click the subscription button. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on our live sections and the videos that will be dropping. And also turn on the notification bell so that you always be notified whenever we are live. So if you follow me closely and you really understand what we do here, because at the end of the day, you don't just come here to collect signals. If you check, this particular channel is here to help you become profitable. So if you really want to take away the noise in trading and focus on yourself to make money, then this channel is for you. And if you've been paying attention, then your trading style, your analysis and everything should be changing by now. You should understand how to break down the chart. You should understand how to strategically position for your entries and the rest. If that is you, type yes in the comment section. If your trading, the way you approach the market has changed ever since you came across this channel, type yes in the comment section. Maybe before you were just all you do is just come to the chat, just be mapping out what you don't or what you don't even understand and be hoping for the best. But now you know how to break down the chart. You know how to break down the chart strategically. Wait for your entries. Type here in the comment section. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm really glad and happy that I'm helping because at the end of the day, trading changed my life. You know the drill. So this is me helping you understand that it can also be possible from your own end. So, like I said, that if you trade gold and you understand how we do it here, you should be in on a buy on gold. I cleared my chart so that we'll reanalyze it together. But if you are in, if you are buying gold now, type here in the comment section. If you are buying gold at the moment, type here in the comment section. If you are buying gold now, type in profit, because it should be in profit and you already know where the um, entry is coming from. Okay, but if you are not in, that does not mean you should go and jump in now. Just calm down. We are analyzing, so let's get to also understand where we should be targeting, because I know most of you will be targeting this point, but then this first spike up, this should have been your first TP. There's a re-entry here, but then let's do the analysis together and so let's go to the daily time frame. For those joining for the first time, we trade smart money concept. That's my trading strategy. We just try to keep everything simple without any stress and you know pack out good funds. So that is it. Now from XAUSD, let's do our top down analysis. Let's do our top down analysis. So when do your top down analysis, don't go too far. Don't go too far. Just focus. Because when you're doing your analysis, your focus is to find out what to do immediately, the next line of action. Okay? So now if you check on gold, this is what we have. After price, dished out this break of structure to the downside, we got a change of character here. Okay, so after the change of character, one thing you need to understand about trading, don't ever get tired of reading the market structure, breaking down, what is going on in the market before you take decisions. Don't ever get tired of that, because that is the number one thing that will put you on the right track. And that will also help you get a very nice bias. Okay, after this break of structure, we got this change of character at this point. Change of character at this point. So currently price is reacting to this FVG from the daily time frame. So let's visit 4-hour time frame and see if we have the same thing. So this break of structure is still here. Change of character, and then we have this FVG present, which is where the price is reacting to. So let's read the internal structures. This was where the change of character occurred. Price came back into the origin. So let's just take away this FVG. Okay. And then this is what we have. Now from 4-hour time frame, all these things are weak projections, so I wouldn't want to map them out as break of structure. So if we are trying to, we already know that this massive FVG, that is where price is reacting to. But then you can also see that gold is, currently doing a break and retest at this point, at this resistance, turned support. Okay. So from 2 hours, let's get to read the internal structures. We got this break of structure here, and this one here. So after this break of structure, a change of character occurred here, leaving us with this particular order block. You will find the order block to 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame. You also will find the order block, and then 15 minutes. So this was why I was asking the question, are you guys buying gold at the moment? Because this is what we have on XAUUSD. 15 minutes order block. It was a very nice entry. So now for the first tapping, I know most of you are targeting this point as the TP, which is very ideal. And technically that is where we should be waiting for, but then pay attention to the current key levels. This point would have been a point, to book partials, this point here, because there is a supply zone at that point, which is also what retraced XAUUSD. But then I'm seeing another entry opportunity, which is from here. Okay. There's break of structure and then the origin, which price is mitigated and it is pushing up. So now for this particular entry, technically this should be the TP from here at this point. So this move happened, around 1, although I already had, a pending order at that point. So let's see what will happen, because I'm not going to tell you to jump in on XAUUSD from here. I'm not, if we had gotten it from here, we would have entered. Because now if you check, taking this trade, your stop loss will be somewhere here. And then your take profit will be here. So it's just 1:2:1 ratio. Your take profit will be here because this is the point of reversal. This is the other block you're working with and the break of structure. And so you should be targeting here. If we now get a new break of structure later on today, we can still position and just be moving like that. So if you are in, your take profit should be around this point, 3341.55. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? So that is literally what we have currently on XAUUSD. The aim is to actually catch this buy to this point, but then we are going to be following according to the key level price is creating. New break of structure will align. So that is how we're going to approach it. Okay. So let's look at GBP JPY. Please, for the take profit, let me call out the coordinates again. 334155. Let's look at GBP JPY. Now that's why it is good for you to pay attention. Don't just come here to collect signals and go. Because if you know how to map it out yourself, you should be in on that buy, because sometimes we may be live here and price has taken off already, even as we wake up so early to catch it. So it's important to just know how to break down your own chart. Don't sleep whole. Oh, you can sleep, rest, but don't sleep too much. Unless you have plenty money. If you have plenty money, you can go ahead and sleep. Me, I don't have. That's why I'm looking at my chart. Me, I don't have. Okay. Okay. So from 4 hour time frame, let's get to understand what's happening here. Let's read the internal structure. Break of structure here. Now you can see price tapped in here. So this rally happened last week. This rally happened last week and we got this push to the upside. So let's get to understand what is currently happening, because price is still above this demand. Um, Price is still above. What people are saying in the comment section is just distracting me. Please focus. Told you guys something. You guys are placing another thing on me. Ah, let's focus. So price is still above the demand zone. Now, from the internal structure, this is also another reason why I always advise that your take profit should be at the point of reversal. You can see how price dished out this push to the upside, got to the point of reversal and retraced. So imagine if your take profit was not there, price would have taken away what it gave to you, and then you will start rallying it up again. Okay, so currently we have this break of structure, and now price is currently reacting to this origin. Let's move it to 1 hour. Now from 1 hour, we'll focus here. So it has been mitigated already, but we are still bullish on GBP JPY. So now from 30 minutes, this is what we have. But for 30 minutes, if we're looking for the unmitigated origin, this is where it is hiding here. Okay, let's move to 15 minutes. So even from 15 minutes, this is where the unmitigated origin is. So we're going to strategically wait for price there. So yesterday I had this order here. Now I really don't know why GJ decided to miss out an entry, because I had a pending order here and a pending order here. And now waking up, I noticed price got very close to the order and started pushing to the upside, and I really don't know what motivated it. So we have this point here. It's a nice point to wait for a buy on GJ for today. Just calm down. Don't worry about what is going on here at the moment. Unless we see a major momentum, then we can keep this one pending. But I'm still expecting a drop on GBP JPY. Although I can see this tiny structure that price has created here. This break of structure. And then if you check, price has mitigated it and it has dished out for TP. So I'm expecting, because now if you are looking for the TP, this is the point of retracement here. So it's just from here to here. Have that in mind. So I'm still expecting a drop on GJ to this point so that we can catch a decent buy. So let's put a pending order there as we are also observing to see what price will do. So a pending order here, let's just make our stop loss 12 pips away and then target this point, 126 pips. So let's see what will happen today. If price decides to take off from here, we'll still find a way and join. And I'm still expecting a drop. FVG present. And liquidity here. So for those that trade GBP/JPY like me, do you have same setup? So this is what we need to strategically wait for at the moment. For those that trade GBP/JPY with me, do you have same setup? Looking asset price was to take off from here. Let's check if we can take an instant execution from here. Or target this point. Although there are a lot of stumbling blocks. Okay, so as we have this pending order, we can also get in on a buy on GBP/JPY from here. We have a pending order below, but now you can buy GBP/JPY now. You can buy GBP/JPY now. Go ahead and place your trade. If you trade GBP/JPY, you can buy GBP/JPY now. If this one doesn't hold, wait for it here. But with this structure, I've seen this before. So let's see if it will play out. Stop loss 14 pips away, and we are targeting 73 pips. Go ahead and place your trades. If you don't want to get in on the buy now, you patiently wait for this pending order. So which one are you going to? Someone say, I'm shorting GJ. So which one are you waiting for? Let me write out the coordinates. You can take a buy on GJ now. Stop loss 14 pips away. So apply proper risk management. This one is an instant execution. Take a buy on GJ now. Take a buy on GJ now. But I'm writing out the coordinates for the pending order. Buy limit on GBP/JPY. So this is the coordinate for the pending order. Entry price. Entry price is 199.003. take profit 200.268. Stop loss for the pending order is 12 pips away, which is 198.822. Apply proper risk management. So this is for the pending order. And now for the instant execution. For the instant execution, if you are in, so it's very simple. If you don't trust the instant execution, you stay away from the instant execution and focus on the pending order. But then if you have a little to risk, you can get in here and see if we can push it up from here. But if it doesn't, no problem, it can stop us out here and we push from here. But then if you don't have those bullets to waste, you patiently wait for it here. You patiently wait for price to get here. But then let's see from 5 minutes to see if this instant execution makes sense. Okay. Block structure. So for 5 minutes, this is where the other block is. One minute. Okay. Okay, guys. It's looking as if we'll run away from this instant execution because of this. No, but 1 hour is positioning well. 1 hour is ready to push up. So let's just 1 hour is positioning well. There's another block from 1 hour and it's ready to push. No panic, guys. No panic. The worst thing that can happen is stop loss, nothing else. So stop loss here is 14 pips, and we also target same TP. Same TP, guys. Someone said price is calling SL. For the instant execution, we are working with same TP. Please apply proper risk management for this instant execution. And the trade is looking 50-50. It's not 70-30. So don't go and load it up. Just calm down. Then stop loss is 199.390. For the instant execution, apply proper risk management. If you risk, just any amount you risk, just divide it into 2 and take the instant execution. But then, if price should come here anytime, any day, you load it up in full. You load it up in full. But for here, just risk a little. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Is it clear? Have you gotten the coordinates? Okay, so let's visit BTC. So last week BTC was able to hit a new high, but then after that we got a massive retracement. So if you check, we got a break of structure here. Starting from here, we have a break of structure. Price tapped into the origin. Another break of structure here, and price is resting here. So once a patient dog eats the fattest ball, so I will wait. It's according to your decision on that GJ. Our instant execution, even me, I entered just a little. I might not enter in full. It's just a little. Because where I trust more is the origin below, but that one above is, the let's just see trade. But if you don't have money for let's just see, you wait for the one below. Okay, now on BTC, we have this internal breakout structure here, which is where price is reacting to. But then after this breakout structure, change of character here, breakout structure, and now we also have this breakout structure here. So I was expecting price here. Price reacted off a VG, dropped again. So let's view from 2 hour time frame. So from 2 hour time frame, price is still resting on this other block. 1 hour, price still around there. So from 1 hour, we have this supply zone above. (30 minutes) and 15 minutes. Okay, let's check the origin. Okay, still the same thing. So now price has mitigated this origin, pushing up, although it's not giving us a major structure. So let's just observe to see what BTC will do, because currently there's no way we can join unless price will come back into this point. But then let's just observe. Yes, with the structure BTC is creating from the daily time frame, it's positioning bullish and also positioning bearish because of the massive drop. So let's be careful with BTC. I know whether it's ready to push up, but then I'm just going to put an alert here. I'm going to put an alert here to see what price will do if it should slash down. So let's calm down on BTC. Let's go to US oil. So US oil from the daily time frame. So we have this drop to the downside. We also have this origin here. Now from 4-hour time frame, break of structure, and break of structure here. Price that into the origin. So let's check this origin here. Okay, so we're still bearish on US oil. So price is trying to dish out full movement because it has tapped in. Let's check from 1 hour. So from 1 hour, we have a change of character here. And price is resting here. 30 minutes, we can refine that to this point. Then 15 minutes here. So let's get to read the structure market is creating after it tapped into the zone. So for 15 minutes, this is what we have. We can patiently wait for US oil here. Stop loss a little bit below the last week projection. So stop loss will be 36 pips away. And then we'll target this week projection here. So this is the setup on US oil. Let's see what price will do. Should get here. If you trade US oil, type yes in the comment section. If you trade US oil, type yes in the comment section. Someone said SL on GJ. The first entry, is it gone? Oh, okay. It's looking as if this one is not going to hold on GJ. Okay, so with this, I think price is targeting this one. So if you enter this instant execution, please run away. Run away. So price is just moving just 6 pips against us. Run away from this instant because I was watching the consolidation, but as price has cleared it, please close. Run away from this. Let's join the Persian dogs. Run away. Let's join the Persian dogs and wait for it here. Okay, so once it comes here, we'll load it up. Let's just calm down. Because it's still pointing to the downside. Let's go back to US oil. So for US oil, we have this buy limit on US oil, entry price, entry price 62.496. Take profit 63.776. Stop loss. Though for most of you that are getting too emotional, you need to check yourself out to know if you are ready for this trading. I'm telling you, you should run away. You are waiting for it to go back to profit before you run away. I'm looking at you. Apply proper risk management. Because I know that most of you now that are praying so that it will go back to entry before you run away. If you like, don't run away from that trade. Know when to switch buyers. Know when a trade is not ready to give you money and run. And run. Because I know someone is holding the phone now, waiting, just push back up. Drag the candlestick now. Drag it. Okay, so this is what we have on US oil. FVG intact. And then liquidity here. Okay, let's look at GBP USD. So for GBP USD, we have price reacting from here, giving us a bullish run. So let's go to 4-hour time frame and know what is happening inside this bullish run. So price is reacting to this resistance level. There's the recent breakout structure, and that is where price is reacting to. We also have this one here. With this origin. Okay. Let's view from 1 hour. Okay, so also within the structure from 1 hour, we have a bearish momentum here too. 30 minutes. 30 minutes price dragged down to this point. So we can call it a support level here. And last break of structure to the downside. Now price is currently reacting to the origin, although it's positioning bullish. So we need to wait for that change of character to happen. 15 minutes is here. So as price has tapped into the support, dishing out a buy, we need to wait for this change of character to happen. I won't call out a sell because price is still, bringing this movement from the support level. So if I'm trying to sell GBP USD, I'll be more comfortable to sell GBP USD from here. So we'll have a pending order there. So let's see if we get a change of character, we can start catching the correctional move. Okay, BTC just tapped into the zone, but let's finish what we're doing. Stop loss a little bit above the last week rejection. So this is what I have currently on GBP USD. Let's see what will happen. If I should push down from here and clear the structure, we will keep selling. So let's see how it will go. So this will be the setup for GBP USD. Let's check what's happening on BTC. Okay, not ready yet. So GBP USD will be a sell limit. Entry price 1.35342. Take profit is 47 pips, which is 1.34867. Stop loss 1.35485. So let's see if price will give us what we are looking for. So currently inside this movement, we have this internal break of structure here. So let's see what will happen from this origin, whether price will pierce through or will push up. All right, we have a few more minutes to go. Let's look at CHF GPY. Then after that, we'll check the comment section and look for the next pair we'll use and conclude. Okay, so from the higher time frame on CHFJPY, break of structure here, price reacting to the origin. Now from 4-hour time frame, we have the origin here, break of structure. So let's check what price is doing inside this origin. Tapped in here, pushed up. Change of character. Origin is here, but it didn't give a clean break of structure. So let's view from 2-hour time frame. Okay. Someone said I should correct the entry from US oil. Let's check it out again. Entry price 62.496. So maybe you're the one typing in the wrong thing. Entry price on US oil is 62.496. Okay, so let's go back. So from this particular break of structure, we have this origin here, and we also have this origin here. One hour origin is here. $30 position here. Break of structure here. And then everything there, change of character. Then 15 minutes. So from 15 minutes, this is what we have. Price has mitigated this one already, so we just have liquidity sitting here. Same thing with this point. So preferably, this is also where I will patiently wait for price to get to. Stop loss a little bit below the last week rejection, and then we'll target this point here. Buy limit on CHF GPY. Entry price 181.946. Stop loss 181.668. Take profit 183.335. apply proper risk management. So let's see what will happen, because whatever price is doing above here is not looking healthy. It's just like the little trap that GJ dropped for us now, and some of us entered the trap. So we don't want that type of trap again. Let's patiently wait for price to come to us. Liquidity. And then FVG here. So which we have 5 more minutes to go. Okay. So we're still very patient on GG at this point. Which pair should we close with? I see Euro USD in the comment section. Let's look at Euro USD and wrap it up. Okay. So currently price is resting on this supply zone. Break of structure here. Let's view from 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, this is the origin. Price resting on FVG. Okay. So now we have this break of structure, price disturb the movement. 2-hour time frame, what do we have? Break of structure, so we have this origin pending here. So we'll leave it pending, let's focus on the current trend. Okay, no major structure there. Then from 1 hour, last break of structure, price reacting off this point. Okay, 30 minutes. We also have this origin here pending. And price is respecting this point. 15 minutes. Okay. So we are currently bearish on Euro USD. So even if we want to take a buy, we can wait for it here from this other block here and not this one here. So this would have been a perfect entry, but it's gone already. I'll target this point. So let's observe to see what will happen. If there are more structures or any reason to join, I'll still let you guys know. But for the meantime, let's just observe and see what all these pairs are up to. So for those that are just joining now, a recap of the trades we are waiting for. We have this on US oil. So let's be patient and wait for it to drop to this point. Then we'll take a buy. Then we have this on GBP JPY. So we're patiently waiting for it here. Okay, so which other pair? GBP USD. It's looking as if it just wants to drop from here. Well, this is also what we have on GBP USD. And I believe we have something on CHF JPY, which is here. Okay. So we'll patiently wait and see what price will dish out. So all you just need to do is pick the currency you trade and strategically position. Let's see what price will dish out for us. All right, traders. Then for gold, what do we have on gold? Okay. So for those buying gold, it's either you must have touched break even or you've closed. I see what I'm talking about. You did not even get to full TP at this point and it's trying to drop just because of this supply zone here. Let's keep observing though. There's nothing yet on gold because gold is, giving a choppy movement at the moment. All right, traders, that will be all for today. I'll see you guys next Tuesday. So have it in mind that the WhatsApp number, that's our WhatsApp number. I announced the other day in our Telegram group that the WhatsApp number is no longer, you know, in existence. WhatsApp blocked the number because of too many messages coming in. So they captioned it as, spamming messages. So have in mind that I don't have anything to do with WhatsApp at the moment. So if you want to message me, this is where you can message me now. So if you have anybody you are chatting on WhatsApp, it's not me. It's not me. So if you want to message me, just click the link I dropped in the comment section to drop your message. Just click the link to drop your message. Someone said, I don't like analyzing USD card. Don't worry, first thing next Tuesday, we'll touch USD card. But then our advice, favor or Genero, our advice you should go ahead and do the analysis and send in. Let me see. Do your own analysis, following, how I approach the market and sending. Let me also know if you are learning something. Is that clear? So if you want to message me now, just click this link here to message me. This link will be attached to the recent post here, my channel, or you can just click the link and message me. Click the link in my bio to message me any question you have, or if you want to join the VIP group, you can still go ahead and drop a message there. All right. Bye for now.